Then we went ahead and we reached Keslik Monastery and
Monastery नहीं है, monastery है.
Monastery. Keslik Monastery.
Monastery.
Keslik Monastery. And then we left for Pamukkale, Kayamakli, Mustafa Pasha. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Akriti and this video is all about my 12 days trip to Turkey. If you have not seen my last video, which was all about what all I packed for Turkey, please go and watch the entire video. I'll share the link here. So without further delay, let's get straight to the video. Since we stay in Bangalore, we did not have any direct flight to Istanbul. So हमने एक flight book की जो कि बहरीन में उसका layover था and it was 11 hours journey. ये सबसे economical flight थी और the flight duration was less, very less in comparison to other flights. We planned to visit different cities of Turkey and we kept Istanbul for last, as we all know we should keep the best for the last. Basically, we were two couples, me, my husband and his friends, and we took a decision of booking self-drive cars. We booked it from a website called Elite Car. So when we reached Istanbul, we saw a long queue of people taking self-drive cars. Matlab, we were amazed, overwhelmed by seeing so many centers of self-drive cars. Then we left from there at 8 a.m. and we reached Pamukkale in evening 6 p.m. Let me take some moments to explain what was the feeling while driving these self-drive cars. The view, the roads and the feeling was altogether different. ये बहुत से यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से भी बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग था. If not self-drive cars, you can obviously go for bus and flight, which you can book it online. Also, you have to reach Densley for that, and from there you can reach to Pamukkale. At night, when we checked in to our hotel, we just went out to have dinner and to just have a street walk, and then we came back and slept, and the day one was ended. Also, if you have not seen my first video और आपने अभी तक destination कोई final नहीं की है, so please do watch it. It is all about how you can plan to visit a country, what all the parameters you should consider while going to a country. This day we woke up to an amazing view which was so beautiful, guys. Sky mein there were so many balloons and it was so much breathtaking. And then we went to take our breakfast and we checked out and left for travel teams of Pamukkale. यहाँ पे मैं recommend करना चाहूँगी कि you should take a buggy. आपको entry पे ही Hierapolis Museum के you will get a counter from where you can book your buggy, because it's a long stretch and you need to cover all the things and have pictures. So I recommend that you please take the tickets and then move forward. If you remember Tu Jaane Na wala song that was shot in MP Theatre, I'll just put pictures here, you can have a look. There are not so much to cover in Pamukkale, just consider it as a hill station. We ended our day there and we left for Antalya. Antalya is 3 hours ka drive, but we could manage only to reach at 8 o'clock because there was too much of traffic in the old town of Kalisi and we were staying near to that. As Antalya has amazing nightlife, bars and restaurants, we went to visit a monument called Hadrian's Gate, and we were there and clicked some pictures and had dinner, and then we reached back to our hotel. This day was little relaxing, so we went to Antalya beach. This beach was pebbly beach. आपको बहुत से pebbles मिलेंगे, and the water was too cold. And post our visit to this beach, which was so beautiful, we managed to go to a place wherein we had our lunch. Post our lunch, we went to a place जहाँ पे caves और waterfall एक साथ था, वो भी एक city में. This is very rare, right? So we went to this place and just look at the pictures, guys. These were amazing caves which you can see here. The name of this was Tudun Waterfalls. In night when we reached our hotel, something came up into my mind which I was always dreaming to have. So मैंने कुछ चीजें की which I'll tell you in some time. Now this morning we went to a very picturesque location which was Khaleesi viewpoint, जो हमारे होटल के बहुत पास था. And guys, we did not expected कि वो इतना beautiful होगा. Just have a look to my pictures. These were so amazing that I just started taking a lot of pictures wherein we were not ready also, but then हमने बहुत से pictures click किया. If you will go down, you will find Mermerli beach. Please do visit that place because it will give you amazing memories. The same day we left for Cappadocia, but in between we took a hop in Konya. Konya has a lot of mosques. We visited some mosques and we clicked some pictures, and then again we left for Cappadocia. Now let's talk about Cappadocia. It was always on my bucket list. I always wanted to go to that particular place to have balloon ride. Now when you travel to Cappadocia, please keep two things in your mind. पहली चीज, while driving हमें realize हुआ कि we should not drive in night because वहाँ के कुछ roads थोड़े under constructions थे, but by then whenever you watch my video अभी situation better होगी. बट हाँ, आप रात को ड्राइव मत करो एंड ट्राई टू टेक अ हॉप while you self drive. सेकेंड चीज, कैपेडोकिया एक सिटी नहीं है, इट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ टाउन्स. सो मेक श्योर जब आप गूगल मैप पे लोकेशन डालो तो आपके होटल का हो, और इफ नॉट देन व्हेनेवर यू गो टू दैट प्लेस मेक श्योर कि आप ये 4 जगहों का लोकेशन डालो एंड देन बुक द होटल्स. ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, Cappadocia is famous for caves hotels, so make sure you book those kind of hotels where you can get the beautiful view, since that is a experience. So I would recommend that you go for caves wala hotels, and if you book on time then you will probably get one of the amazing ones. I stayed in this. You can just have a look to my room. This was the day which I was talking about. In night when we reached our hotel, something came up into my mind which I was always dreaming to have. So मैंने कुछ चीजें की which I'll tell you in some time. जो मैं उस दिन प्लान कर रही थी वो ये है. I booked a balloon photo shoot for me and my husband, and I was little skeptical about it, but I wanted to do it, so I just booked a photographer from Instagram, and we spoke to around 4 to 5 people and got finalized with one. फिर उसके बाद it was an early morning shoot, so we left our hotel near to 3 a.m. We reached the location, balloon viewpoint. वहाँ पे I was in a thin satin dress and feeling too much of cold. I can't even explain how much cold temperature was. It was -3 degree, guys, so now you can imagine. So yeah, but the feeling, the view, the experience was so amazing that will be always in my memory book. So yeah, this was the photos which we took, and this came out so beautiful. Also, I had my kid, so because of so nice friends which we have, we gave our kid to them. Post this, we left for our hotel and we finished our breakfast and we left for Pamukkale, which is underground city. After that, we went to Keslik Monastery, and then there we had amazing Turkish tea, जो कि traditional way में बनता है, and that was really tasty. Entire my journey, I was enjoying Turkish tea. Then we went to Damsa Lake, which was beautiful lakeside view. It was kind of picnic spot. And the last stop was Mustafa Pasha, kind of local hill which gives a bird's-eye view of the entire city. Till this time we were very tired. We went back to the hotel and then we slept and ended our blue tour. बहुत कम लोग करते हैं, but we will surely recommend you to do blue tour instead of green tour. Nightlife in Cappadocia is not much, so you will not find that much of pubs or restaurant in the night, and actually it was very cold, so we just slept in our hotel. So this day I woke up very early, and since मैं अपने बेबी को नहीं ले जा सकती थी, so I went for balloon ride in early morning and had an amazing view. This was the most amazing experiences which I will count on, and it was very beautiful. So once I reached the hotel, we just went for a mini photo shoot because the entire hotel was so beautiful and each and every corner was so photogenic that we could not resist ourselves. Then we went ahead and we started our day by visiting Love Valley, Uchisa Castle. All these things we did entire day, and we ended our day early because I was very tired since 2 days. So day 8, we left from Cappadocia for Istanbul. As Cappadocia is very far from Istanbul, we took a stop in Ankara, which is the capital of Turkey. While driving, we visited some of the mosques, and then once we checked in our hotel, we took rest and just went for a walk plus dinner. So we woke up early and visited Anit Kabir post our breakfast, and it was an amazing experience there as well. बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful था. And then we left for Istanbul. Istanbul was altogether another nightmare. So we planned to give our car in Istanbul, and we went to airport and we just dropped our car back. बहुत ज़्यादा crowded है इस्तांबुल, and आपको 2-3 चीज़ें बहुत ध्यान देनी है. पहली, आपको ट्रैम ज़रूर करना है because you have to travel so much in Istanbul. Second, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा वॉक करना पड़ेगा. I mean, we used to walk a lot. उसके लिए you have to be in your shoes. Third thing, आप ये बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना कि what all places you have to visit and what all are the good timing to visit that place. So first we went to Sultan Ahmed. After that it was time for Blue Mosque. So guys, बहुत अच्छी pictures नहीं आई वहाँ पे because it was under maintenance. Just in the side of that there was a grand Hagia Sophia. We got some amazing shots there, but it was a huge queue in front of it. So at least 2 घंटे लगते हैं जब तक हम अंदर मॉस्क में पहुँचते. With that we went to see the Topkapi Palace, between the palace and the mosque. Then through the markets we reached the Suleimani Palace, went inside the palace and then came out and saw famous Spice Bazaar. वहाँ पे हमने कुछ टाइम स्पेंड किया. Post that we reached our hotel back and took an hour and prepared ourselves for second round of trying to visit Hagia Sophia. We left for Hagia Sophia around 8:15 p.m. and it was so marvelous. Like in comparison to morning, it was looking so breathtaking. We entered the mosque and then was literally 1 or 2 people were there ahead of us. Of course, we have to follow the mosque etiquettes and dresses appropriately. The mosque was spectacular from inside, and we had some amazing pictures taken there. We had our dinner then and some desserts, and then came back with a heavy feet and we just slept. और मैं ये recommend करूँगी कि आप मॉस्क रात में जाइए, क्योंकि मॉस्क रात भर खुले रहते हैं and it will be very easy, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा क्यू में आपको नहीं रहना पड़ेगा. Hagia Sophia is one of the mosques which I definitely will recommend you. आपको वहाँ जरूर जाना चाहिए. The view is so beautiful. Last 2 days we did Galata Tower and Istiklal, or then we went ahead with shopping, taking souvenirs and enjoying our sweet Turkish sweet which is so famous. और हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी photos खिंचवाई और we totally enjoyed entire stay of Istanbul. This was entire itinerary of mine कि मैंने कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या visit किया, कहाँ we stayed and everything. Istanbul में there is lot of traffic, so you plan your journey little ahead of time. Then we boarded our flight on the same day and returned on 12th day. So yeah, this was entire details of my trip. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked my video, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe. This is all from my side, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.